What's up, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I got a great one for you today. I am super pumped up. I am super excited because, guys, I have finally completed putting together my actual 30-day success formula sales system and funnel, right? I finally completed it, guys, and I'm so excited, man. I really, wow. I just left Silver Spring, Maryland, where I ran a Craigslist ad the other day. And a guy responded to the ad, guys, and he actually wanted to meet me in person so that he could get signed up with a 30-day success formula. I drove down to Silver Spring. We sat down in a cafe at Whole Foods, and the guy wanted to pay. Dan is his name. Dan, what's up if you're watching the video? I think Dan was so ready to go, he was ready to pay me in cash, right? I told him, no, just follow through with the actual flyer, and we can get this done. Now, I just had another buddy of mine who just joined me, and he told me the money's in the mail. And the reason I'm mentioning this, guys, is because I already know what's going to happen with the 30-day success formula. I'm brand new to it, right? You guys see me putting videos up all over YouTube, right, guys? Because I already know the awesome power of this type of program, particularly when you have an automated marketing system or a sales funnel that can go out and go to work for you guys doing this type of thing. Now, in the last video I put up earlier today, I talked about automated marketing systems and sales funnels. I talked about the fact that one of the most important things you're ever going to, or tools or resources you're ever going to invest in, is an autoresponder, guys. Now, I knew that Dan had found my ad on Craigslist, and I asked him, well, how'd you find me? I just wanted to hear it from him again. He said, I saw your ad on Craigslist, right? Yeah, okay, I know. So I understand how this works, guys. I told you guys, Craigslist is going to be somewhere I'm going to go. We're going to do this. The ad cost me $5, guys. You're looking at it. Now, incidentally, hint, hint, I actually had the ad created on Fiverr.com. Guys, I'm telling you guys that because I want you to take away two things from this video. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get plugged into the 30-day success formula. Join myself and Tom, Anya, and all the other great people, motivated, highly motivated people on the team, and start doing this thing with a bonus that I'm going to actually throw in. Not to mention all the things that you receive and the special training and the mastermind that you get plugged into when you join our team. Now, let me talk about the Craigslist ad real quick, guys, because this ad cost me $5. I've already started getting leads coming in from this ad. I got 5 up on Craigslist. I'm not tracking them, I should be, but they're just coming in. The leads are coming in. Now, if you guys watched the last video, you watched how I follow up with my leads, right, as they start to come into my automated marketing system and sales funnel. I do it with what's known as a drip campaign. And that's why I want you guys to listen up closely, because in the last video, I also talked about the fact that, guys, if you don't have an autoresponder, right, and you want to do email marketing and you want to make sales online, go ahead on, guys. I'm going to leave the link for Get Response in the YouTube video description area. Go ahead on and get it for $15 a month, and you can get yourself 1,000 subscribers for $15 a month. Coming onto your list, and the reason why that's important, I'm going to explain that to you in a minute, because you guys, if you're dilly-dallying around and you're looking for a way to make money from home and you're serious about it, right? Whether you want to do it online or offline, doesn't matter, because you're going to have an opportunity to do both. But you want the type of training that's going to teach you online marketing, okay? These Craigslist ads are $5 a piece, guys. It's amazing what they will do, right? And so I had the image created on Fiverr for $5, and then of course I ran the $5 Craigslist ad. The leads are already coming in. And guys, if you see this ad, right, I'm gonna let you see the whole ad. Don't copy the ad word for word. If you go out, we'll figure have some images made. You can do it all kinds of ways. You guys want to reach out, I'll tell you guys some things, but it's very simple. But here's the thing: I'm using the SMS phone leads number. I told you guys the dialing for dollars is ready to go really live now, because this is the actual business opportunity that I'm rolling into dialing for dollars. I got a video going up in about 20 minutes. You guys will see that. And this is a great way for somebody to earn $25 when that video goes up, guys, okay? Anyway, so I posted the ad on Craigslist. It's working for me already. It's local, which is why Dan called me, right, Dan? He saw the ad, and I did it in Maryland. I did it in the Maryland zip code. Then Dan saw it. He responded to it. It's just that simple, guys. Marketing and promoting your business, when you know how and you had a proper training, you can do this type of thing, right? I've never played around on Craigslist a lot until I got the SMS phone leads number. And as you guys can see, I have the number redirecting inside of the ad and on the actual image in my ad. And it's all automated. I don't have to do nothing. Go post a $5 ad, let it do what it does. And y'all know what my rule of thumb is when it comes to that. SW, SW, SWN. What does that mean? Some will, some won't. So what? Next, guys, we'll talk about automated marketing systems and sales forms here, right? They do all the explaining, the training, the signups, and everything for us. Now we're talking about the 30-day success system, guys. You're talking about automation on steroids, okay? Whether you use it offline with the actual letter that you guys are going to have access to by the end of this video, or whether you want to get the free funnel that I'm going to give you. It's not actually free. When you guys sign up with the 30-day success form, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for you. But check this out. The ad is running, guys, and so I just started running. I ran these 5 ads even before I got the PDF for my SMS phone leads. I mean, before the 30-day success form, because I know how this thing is going to play out. You guys see the videos I'm putting up on YouTube. Watch my space. Okay, guys, so look, we're talking about the Craigslist ad. We're going to talk more about that in another video. Now, let's talk about what happens when you actually join our team, okay? We're the fastest growing team on the World Wide Web, guys, in the 30-day success formula space, okay? Tom is my sponsor. You guys have seen many videos. You guys have seen Alex. You guys have seen Anya. You guys have seen Cassandra. You've seen all the videos I'm putting up, right? This is in your face, right? Every day, because I upload at least one video. So what happens when you join the 30-day success formula? Okay, this is what I'm doing, right? This is what I'm doing for Dan. This is what I'm doing for Keith and Carol. I know you're standing by. I'm going to be doing it for you as well, and anybody that joins the team. I'm going to do 2 things, guys, but there is a prerequisite. You guys, because I want you guys to understand and start building a list and plug into an automated marketing system, you must, guys, either do 1 or 2 things. You must either get a Get Response account, which is $15 a month for 1,000 subscribers, right? You must either get a Get Response account, or Tom also has a great done-for-you marketing system and sales funnel. You can pick that up on the other end. And that is, of course, if you want to indulge in or participate in the online marketing of the 30-day success formula. For those of you who don't, that's fine, guys. You don't have to market this online. I talked about that in the last video. Right? You can do it completely offline. But if you do want to market online, right, and when you join me, whether you market online or not, I'm going to create a capture page for you guys that looks just like this. Or I'll make it say anything you want it to say, right? But I'm going to create the capture page for you. And I'm going to take the capture page, guys, and I'm going to redirect it to the actual website that I built. Check this out, guys. This is beautiful. Some of my best work yet, with my sponsor, Tom, doing all that great stuff that Tom does in the first video. Second video, he's down here talking about the fact that we are the fastest growing and the biggest team in the 30-day success formula marketing space online. And I got some testimonials down here that I put on the website as well. I got contact information down here for your prospects to dial the actual 800 number. If they have questions, they can email or call the company. And when their prospects are ready to sign up, guys, here's what's going to happen. They're going to click the continue button or the get started now button. When they do that, guys, they're going to be redirected to, right now, my PDF. But if you guys join, they're going to be redirected to your PDF. So what? You might ask yourself, okay, I'm glad you asked, guys. Let's roll down and let me show you what happens when you have a system that I'm going to build for you absolutely free that can do this. Again, this is for people who want to market online. Okay, offline, it does what it does on its own, guys. You plug into the mailing house, you order the mailings that you want, and you let this thing go out and work for you on automation. Now, I'm hearing from the company that they got an average of a 4% response rate on this thing. That means they, and you guys already know, they do the first 200 mailing of your letters for you. Then if you're figuring let me do the math. If you're figuring a 4% response on 200 mailing, that would actually be 8 people, guys. But now you may ask yourself, it's only 8 people. Well, what level are you coming in on, guys? Let's do it at the lowest level. No, I want to do it at the $250 level. Let's do a 4% response rate at the actual $250 level, right? So you got 8 actually. There will be 8 people times 2, 50, 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 5 is 40, 16, 17, 18, 19. At a 4% rate, guys, 200 flyers being mailed and only 8 people joining your team, that's $1,900. Okay. Now, of course, they're going to deduct the amount of what the mailing would cost, right? But you're not paying for it up front. You don't make no money. You don't have to pay. But they're deducting that. So you're talking about another $399 that they're going to take away from the $1,900. Do the math, right? It's beautiful, guys. Okay. It is literally, ultimately, I am tongue-tied because this is one of the best and most explosive programs I've ever seen. There are the levels you can join at. Level 1, $89, right? Level 2, $259. Level 3, $1,000. Level 4, $2,500. Level 5, $5,000. And of course, level 6 coming in at $12,500. When you join, guys, whatever level you join at, what's going to happen is by default, the company's going to mail 200 letters for you. When you want additional mailings done, guys, you simply contact the company. You're going to get a welcome packet. You can mail as many as you want or as few as you want every week, every month. Do what you want to do, guys, right? But it is an automated marketing system. It is an automated sales funnel. It is an automated marketing system / sales funnel that can make you passive income, residual income, and an income that can grow that has no ceiling, right? Exponentially, meaning through the efforts of other people. And let me tell you why. When you join, you're going to send 30-day success formula, the corresponding payment at the level you're joining. You're going to send me the corresponding payment. This is cash, by the way, of the level you're joining. Of course, my sponsor, Tom, you're going to send him the corresponding payment according to the level you join as well. Now, you will make 3 copies of page 6, which you're looking at right now. You will send 1 to 30-day success, 1 to me, and 1 to Tom. What happens after you do that? After you do that, guys, I'm going to send you a welcome email that's going to give you instant access into our private Facebook group as well as the mastermind with all that great training that we talk about all the time. You know, Craigslist advertising, YouTube advertising, you name it. It's all in there, right? So that's if you want to market online or offline. The training covers both. Okay, so that's something to be excited about, guys. If you're anything like I was when I first got online, I'd never seen anything like this before, right? Now, here's the beauty of what's going on, guys. I started as an entrepreneur in mail order, okay? I started as an entrepreneur in mail order. Let me back up again because I want you guys to see this page again. Now, I can tell you how powerful direct mail marketing is. Now, the particular company with the 30-day success formula, these guys know exactly what it is they're doing. They've already plugged into mailing houses. I'm sure they have more than one. Again, their average is somewhere between a 4 and an 8% response rate. And they usually talk about the 4% response rate just to keep it moderate. But the point is, you don't have to come out your pocket outside of the level you join on, and they will do that first mailing for you. There's a great 90-day money-back guarantee. You don't make any money. You want your money back, get it back, guys, okay? But, wow, I've not run a single solo ad. I was supposed to. I was downtown in Silver Spring, so I just got back not long ago. So I haven't done that yet. I'm going to run a solo ad. It'll run sometime next week because that's when I wanted to go next week. The day's Thursday. And so, outside of the 5 Craigslist ads, guys, in the YouTube videos, I haven't done anything. And got people calling me. You guys know who you are. You're texting me, you're emailing me because you want to know what's up. And the cool thing about it is, guys, it's all explained right here. Okay, so you're going to find this link in the YouTube video description, all right? I'm going to leave this link. And you can click it to get started. You'll find my page when you do. When you get to the page, guys, go ahead on and print. Let's look at it one more time. Print the page out, right? Download and or print it. Once you print it, fill it out and follow the instructions that I just told you about, guys. And remember, guys, here's the cool thing that you got to remember. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. If you're not using automation in your business, right, whether it be through just letting the mailing house do this for you offline, or whether you actually tap into the training that we're going to give you and start using it for online marketing, you need an automated marketing system. You need an automated marketing sales funnel. When you join, guys, right, well, that's the Craigslist ad again. You're going to get all kinds of good training about stuff like this. But you also, I'm going to build a capture page for you that looks exactly like this one, or you can make it say whatever you want. Just tell me what you wanted to say. Once you've joined, right, at any level, by the way, you're going to get the capture page. You're going to get the landing page that I created, right? When you see the get started button here, guys, let's scroll down a little bit. And you see the yes, get me started button down here. Those buttons are going to redirect to your 30-day success formula PDF. So your potential prospects, clients, customers can join you, right? So you'll have the actual system. Now, to make it work, you gotta have a get response account, guys. You want to be, if you watch that last video I did, or any of the videos I did about building a list on YouTube, you want to be building a list. One of the things that Dan told me, and one of the things that a lot of people tell me all the time, is like, I just got, I get these emails from you. They don't understand email marketing. They're like, I get an email from you every day. Keith, I thought I was actually sitting down writing emails every day, which is something you can do when you have an autoresponder, but you don't have to. If you watch that last video, you can set these emails to go off, right, to your list at any time of the day you want, as often in the day as you want, or as little in the day as you want, or you can just write up an email once a week, twice a week, whatever you so desire, and send it to your list. That's automation on steroids. Now, one more thing I want to say about the Craigslist ad before I get off. You guys heard me in a lot of videos in the past talking about the fact how powerful that SMS phone leads system is. You guys have also heard me talk about my dialing for dollars automated marketing system. And so I think I left a video link in the last video I did on YouTube so you guys can see how my actual dialing for dollars automated website works along with the SMS phone leads number. And that's the beauty of using the SMS phone leads, which we also talk about in the training, is because you can get around that little craziness with Craigslist without not being able to put links in the actual ad, right? You can't put links in your ads in Craigslist, but you can put a phone number, guys, okay? And guess what? It works. I know it works. People are calling me. Just got a guy, Dan, just came in today at $250 level from the ad that I ran on Craigslist. And you're going to get all that kind of training. So if you ain't super pumped and you ain't super excited by now, go ahead on, reach over, pinch yourself, right? See if you got a pulse, guys, right? Because if you're not watching this and you're not excited, right, when it comes to making money online with your very own automated marketing system where you can actually start making money online and offline, then I don't know, guys. Y'all might want to run down to the nearest emergency room and see what's going on. Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay plugged into the actual video because I got miles to go before I sleep. Thousands of more videos to record and or upload for you guys earning pleasure, okay? Anyway, guys, that's my spiel. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O. Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, and I will see you guys on the next video. 1.